Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you today this MTI high-speed granulator, typical of most of the ones pharmaceutical industry, cosmetic industry sees. Has a large Euro drive for the main drive, for the 3-blade bottom agitator, another Euro drive for the top side agitator, hinge mounted cover, and you'll see there's adjustment for tightening the cover seating. Of course, your discharge valve here. We're operating on 440 volts 3-phase right now through the main control panel. Besides, it might need a couple of little covers for the light bulbs. You see our amperage meter is operating right now, drawing about just under 15 amps and 5 amps on the chopper. There's automatic and manual functions for the discharge. Open and close of the discharge right there. Has a flush seating plug valve. And what you just heard is our timer operating here. We have it set about 2 minutes. And so it has two functions here. There are 2 speeds for the agitator. We're going to start, and you'll see the amperage does spike up just slightly. Settles right down. Give you a look inside the mixer. We're running on the low speed right now. Also, you'll notice this air-operated clamping device here. We're going to show you that in a second when we shut off. It releases and it will not allow you to open the cover when the machine is operating. And if you release it and open the cover, it still won't operate unless that feels the pressure of being closed. There's a baffle in there. Of course, you can see the valve over there completely closed in the closed position. And we're going to go back and show you the high-speed position as well. So this is the high speed here with the double slash marks on it. Now it has a little timer built in it. We'll wait a second before it actually kicks on. That high speed, you'll see the amperage jump up there. You hear the contactor connect. There's your high speed. Sight glass, of course, we're using that that's for your venting port, which receives this little guide for your dust sock. This, of course, is a spray nozzle, which we removed. And when you stop, I'm going to show you the unit. If we can get it real quick, you'll see this automatically releases. It does have a little time delay, waits for the machine to stop. And it's only, maybe about 10 or 15 seconds it seems to release, and there it releases. Going to show you real quick, remove our light. Swings open very easily. Nice interior. The pharmaceutical grade unit. Of course, has an O-ring seal all around the top cover. And if you tried to operate it now, it would not come on until it feels that closure. And you can adjust that accordingly. I'm going to show you that one more time. On the power button here, automatically closes. Everything's running perfectly. Nice, quiet, smooth. Controls are all functional. You look inside the controls. We removed one of the covers to trace back some of the wires. Wired in down in the bottom left-hand corner, your L123. The timer is working. You can see it slowly moving down, and it does stop when it reaches the end of the time cycle. Your amperage draw right there, running on low speed. The hour meter is also working. showing 1600 hours. Got no time for that, and your e-stop works as well. One of many mixers in our stock. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.